Good afternoon, Danbury. I'm student meteorologist Scott Gagliardi here with your forecast. We have mostly sunny skies out there right now, but don't let that deceive you because we are in the middle of a very active weather pattern with a few snow threats to talk about later in this forecast. We'll get right into it here. Current conditions in Danbury at 2 o'clock. We have a temperature of 29 degrees under mostly sunny skies. Dew point of 12 degrees, giving us very dry conditions out there, and winds are out of the north at 5 miles per hour. For those weather headlines, we have some Thursday light snow to talk about for tomorrow. Some bone-chilling, absolutely frigid air coming into the Danbury area behind that snow, and I'll let you know if we'll see some snow on Valentine's Day later in this forecast. Take a look at the U.S. radar. First of all, we have some snow here in the Midwest. This will be affecting our region for later tomorrow. Zoom in a little bit closer here. Not much in the way of precipitation for the area right now, but this might catch your eye right here. It's just south of Boston. I'll zoom in a little bit more here. We've had a persistent snow band set up. This is actually doing some ocean effect snow. Some northeast winds off the relatively warm waters of the Atlantic Ocean, bringing in some moderate snow to the Boston area over the course of the past 6 to 9 hours, just exacerbating the situation there. Put that into perspective here. Snowfall to date in Boston, they've seen upwards of 75 inches of snow. Adding to that today, with an average of only 39 degrees, so they're just getting dumped on this winter season. Take a look closer to home here in Hartford, 58 inches of snow we've received so far, with an average of 42, and down in Bridgeport, they've seen 50 inches, average being 33. We're just going to add to these totals over the next course of the 7 days or so as we continue this very active pattern for the area. Starting with Thursday, we'll have a setup here, that low with the associated moisture in the Midwest will weaken and transfers energy to another low off the coast here. This low is going to strengthen and bring in some precipitation. However, it's just going to be a little bit too far to the east to give us any significant snow. One thing for sure, though, is behind this low, we're going to have some very frigid and windy conditions coming down from the southern Canada. This will give us very cold conditions for the day later tomorrow and then into your weekend, as you'll see later in the 5-day. But just to tell you about tomorrow, we have a temperature of 28 degrees. Sunny skies to start your day with those afternoon snow showers coming in later in the day. Accumulations of less than 3 inches, so a very light snowstorm here. Sunrise coming in at 6:59. For tomorrow night, any flurries coming to an end. However, bitterly very cold air. Temperature of only 4 degrees. Those winds will increase in northwest at 10 to 15 gusts, gusting upwards of 20. Very frigid air coming in for the day tomorrow. Look at that extended forecast here to recap Thursday. The afternoon light snow with a temperature of 28 degrees. Cold temperature at night of 12, and then for your Friday, look at this, 10 degrees. Some areas struggling to get out of the single digits. Bitterly cold air, coldest air we've seen so far in the season. Any sunshine on Friday will not do us any justice in terms of warming us up. Taking a look to start your weekend on Valentine's Day, we'll have a system which is setting up to give us a chance of snow for the weekend. Looks to be coming in later in the day Saturday, so anybody with Valentine's Day dinner plans should keep an eye on this forecast. Any snow will come to an end on Sunday. However, windy conditions will continue, giving us temperatures, as you can see here, in the teens throughout later Saturday into the start your work week. Just a very cold pattern which is set up and some bitterly cold air to come our way. You can meet the team. Visit our website at wcsu.edu/weather. Look for your next update from Anthony Sambucci. That'll be updated tomorrow at 2 p.m. Thank you and have a great evening.